Right, so this is the bag. Gets the little red bag, and in it you get this first thing is actually your jewelry certificate. So you get an envelope that tells you what is the serial number, etc. Because every jewelry has its own unique identifier. So it kind of serves the purpose of authenticating the jewelry should you want to, I don't know, resell it or something. So I just keep this somewhere. Then you get a cleaning kit, or at least that's what I think it is. Yeah, it's a cleaning kit. So you get this liquid, a small brush, and a cloth. And then here are just some very generic instructions. Actually, it's not linked to the type of product you bought. It's just a generic one. You always have a little booklet that explains how do you, in general, clean jewelry. So, but if you run out of this, I mean, you can get it from all kinds of places. It's not really special. It's just that they have it branded. Then you have a tiny travel pouch. This is quite cute if you were to go somewhere, but also whenever you go to the gym or something like that, if you were about to do boxing or something intense and you didn't feel like having your ring in, then you just have it in this little pouch. I prefer this size to other things because I have other pouches from various brands, including Cartier, and I feel that this ring pouch is actually the best size for a bag, and you can actually put any kind of jewelry in it. I just like it. So this is something I'm definitely going to keep in my bag, just in case. And then we get to the actual ring. So this goes to recycling, and right now this is what the packaging looks like. Some boutiques sometimes would also have like a wax stamp, but I don't have that. So ribbon, out with the ribbon. This is paper, out with the paper. And then you get this box. This is not actually the actual box. This is just an over box. Just remove it like this. Now this is the real deal. And so for Cartier boxes, let me just put all of these things away. For Cartier boxes, you open them by just clicking this thing. You see? It has a little mechanism here. The ring I got is this Clash, and it sits in this little black bit. You have to lift it a little bit, and then that's how you get the ring. If I close this now, let me show you a close-up of the ring so that it focuses. It is quite an interesting geometry. It's made of a lot of little pieces, and you kind of feel that they're moving. They kind of move actually. If you were to wiggle them, every one of these things actually moves. If you get the bigger model, it even feels like it turns since it's quite fluid. So I got this ring mostly for my index finger. So that's where I want to wear it. It needs to be relatively snug. That's how I wanted it. It can turn a little bit. I just think that it's quite edgy compared to my other. So for example, this is from Chaumet. It's very sweet, etc. This is quite edgy. I like it, and I like that it has quite a bit of texture because then I get to play with it. This is in rose gold, and I believe my size. What size did I get eventually? I think I got a size 51. I'll write the size afterwards. I don't have any hand cream, so it's a bit difficult for me to get it off right now. But usually how you want the fit to be is that it shouldn't be too loose, because if you're washing your hand, it might slip. In my case, because of the shape of my fingers, I have relatively thick knuckles. So I always struggle with getting rings in because the shape of my fingers is thin, then very thick, and then relatively thinnish. So given the shape of my index finger, it's always a bit of a struggle to get things in, but I tried it in the store Whenever I buy jewelry, I try to go at the end of the day when I'm relatively bloated. It's kind of the same thing as buying shoes, where you want to buy shoes at the end of the day when your feet are swollen. So normally my hands would be a little bit puffier. So this is what the ring looks like, and it's going to become one of my everyday rings now. I just feel like it's a very nice shape to be playing with. I just wanted something to play with during the day. So yeah, very happy with it. I waited for it for a few months because I remember I first tried it on in October 2020, and I waited a bit over a year to get it, but it was worth the wait. You know, you can't always get what you like. So yeah, this is my new Cartier Clash in small size and rose gold, and that's what it looks like. I think it only comes in rose gold, but yeah, I still didn't decide which finger I want to put it on. Maybe I'll put it in this small one, but yeah, just wanted to show you. I decided to wear the ring actually in this finger. And my amazing SA actually also got me a small gift, just because. She's adorable. I really like her. So sweet. That's what it is. I don't know what it is actually. Okay, so this is the box. Maybe it's a little notebook. Maybe it's a book. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Two notebooks. Oh my god. Because I'm a nerd, I really, oh, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that. This goes straight in my bag immediately. Oh my god. She knows me so well. Oh. That's what it looks like. Oh,